morning, everybody, or afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this. For me, it's morning and my hair has just dried, so you're welcome for that little tidbit of fun. So today it's happening. It's happening. I'm gonna do some spring cleaning. Now, we were away for the long weekend for family day and we're all recharged and ready to go. Let me just say that this house is getting to be a bit much. Like everybody underneath your sink or in your linen closet. Our closets aren't too bad, our actual personal closets and our coat closet, but I wanna start spring cleaning. Maybe Mother Nature will feel that vibe and send some nice weather our way. This week is supposed to be stormy and yucky and snowy and anyway, so if I'm gonna be trapped inside, not really trapped, but if I'm going to be inside, I'm gonna try to be somewhat productive. Now, this is not going to get done in one day, and I'm telling you that for free. Really just want to sort through our linen closet. Now, when I say our linen closet, I use that term very loosely. So I actually keep towels for Mark and myself and face cloths and such. Linens, our beds, a different size than the kids. So I keep that all in our room. So I know where it all is. Young adults have the messiness factor. Let's just go there. And they also have the sometimes spendiness factor and like different bedding and such. So they buy their own bedding and blankets and pillows. And now we have a lot, and I mean a lot of things in this linen closet. And are you ready to see it? Because it's a lot. And they just pile all their stuff up in front of the linen closet that needs to be in the garbage. Lazy, so that's being chucked right back into their rooms. You guys ready for this? Get ready, okay? I'm scared. I haven't seen inside this closet in a very long time. Okay, so I'll turn you around so you can see. Get ready. First of all, see all their recycling and such, and a garbage bag. That's just a random garbage bag. But you ready? Mm-hmm. Feast your eyes on that. Like what? And I'm very sorry if the light's crappy in here, but it doesn't really, like, we need more light. This is what we're dealing with. Now, see these little bags here? Those are all from the dollar store. They're the bags that you suction down with a vacuum in and you're able to store things better. I don't even know what's being stored in those things. What I want to do is go through all of this, really clean it out, really see what's inside, what needs to go, what needs to stay, and donate. And actually, we have an animal shelter here in town. I feel like they take donations of like old towels and blankets and things for the animals. I'm gonna have to figure that one out. So I will try the pet shelter, the animal shelter first. And then if not, I will drop it off to the thrift stores here in town to go buy them again. No, just kidding. I'm just gonna do a donation pile and just start it right here. I also have this little shelving area here that I really just wanna spruce up. Let me move this so you can see. There's books, the books are fine, but I need to give that a good dust too. It just accumulates. But look at our little wedding wall. I don't know if I've ever showed this on our channel before. This was actually my first big project. I painted all the way up here. It looks black, but it's navy blue. And I painted both walls. I put all the pictures up. Cute, right? Do you guys ever try to find a hair elastic and you can't find one? Any other time, they're everywhere. But I found one. Back in business. Let's do this. You guys ready? I am. Feel good. Okay. I won't in an hour though. Oh, okay. Let's get this out of the way. What even is this? Seriously? More cardboard. Yeah. Lazy children. I have lazy children. That was all that was in that. That was all that was in that bag. One gift bag and some tissue paper and a little piece of cardboard. This is not my problem right now. All right. I got all of the storage bags off of Amazon. Now I know you can get them at the dollar store, but I think they're like $4 and I don't know the different quality. I was online the other day and I thought, yes, I'm ordering these and that way I can see, and I'm glad I did, because by the time I get this all cleared out and figure out what's what and maybe freshen up some of the blankets and stuff, I'm gonna need another day. Hopefully the bags come in tonight and I can get it organized again for tomorrow and just get her done. May or may not have been mine. All right, I got the top two cleared out. I don't know, it's not really that bad. I might just give it a damp cloth wipe. I think I'm gonna do that because I can't lift the vacuum way up there. You guys, you have to see the back of this closet here. Let me show you. Like, look at how far back that goes. I think a normal closet would probably go to here, but it has like an extended part here. And that's where I kind of want to put all of our stuff that we don't use on a regular basis. And look, we have really high ceilings in this house. I think they're like 9-foot ceilings, and this closet goes all the way up to there. Like, what a waste. Figured those bags would be perfect up here. Okay, I've decided to bring everything and put it on the bed. Well, not everything, little bits and pieces, because I'm not working off the floor. What was I thinking? But you know what? That's fine. I'll just organize it, do a smell test, do a freshen up. Luckily I made my bed today. I'm trying to take it easy too because my shoulder is still not well. So slower the better. I'm sorry about that, but I'll just speed up when I stop talking, which is never. But oh, and this blanket, no, I'm not even folding that. I will, I'll just put it in the bag. That is going away. I'm sure a little cat or dog would love this. And I know it's clean because it's been sitting up there for many Christmases. Oh, what's this? Now, here's another little thing. Do you guys ever get wondering why? And maybe they do, maybe I'm just buying the wrong sheets. Why don't they label on the label what size the darn sheet is? Like king or queen, man, instead of having to open it all up. All the pillowcases, those are all just gonna get a nice freshen up. Flannel sheets there. You guys, does anybody else use those scent beads in the washing machine? They're fantastic. I don't know that they're good for you or your skin or whatever. Who knows these days? They smell quite divine. Get that out of my way. Ooh, and this pile too. Whoosh. Oh wow, this makes it better to walk around in here now. Word that the delivery will be here today by 10 o'clock, which is perfect. Probably later now because it's snowing out and it might delay. But no big deal because I am going to work on that tomorrow now because I'm almost done. I don't know that I really want to go any further. I'm telling you what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna get something to eat because I haven't had breakfast yet and it's 10 to 11. Now, I don't know if you guys like to see other people's surroundings, but I do, especially when people live in California and like warm climates. I just love that. It makes my heart happy. So, because this is what we're dealing with today. It's not too bad. Like, there's piles, but they're all clean. They all smell nice. So I know that they've just been done recently. I got it. Whew. That was a struggle, you guys. Without looking like a ridiculous fool. This is the deceiving part because that bag is now very heavy. So I'm just going to drag it to the side, give the floor a little bit of a clean. I'm not sure what was in there. It almost seems like somebody's makeup. Shocking. Okay, so they actually came yesterday afternoon. Pretty exciting. Let's see what's in here. I did open it, but I haven't actually looked at it because it was pretty jam-packed in here. Let me get it out here. 1 second. Well, I feel like they seem pretty much the same thing. So, did I get ripped off? No, because these are a little bit bigger. And I've got 5 of them, I think it was. 5 for $20. I just got this stuff out of the dryer, so it's all freshy fresh, ready to go in. So let's continue on and I'll show you what I do. Such an easy job, really. It feels so good to be able to get things organized and put away, and I don't think it's going to last for very long because we know that it's for the young adults linen closet, and the majority of the towels are missing in action, so I'm just leaving it at that. The shelf will be there for when they need to put their towels away, but until then it's going to be bare. I'm sure some of you are thinking, great Lisa, good one, good for you. But you know what, I don't do this to, there's no showing off. Anybody can do it. I'm just showing what I do, and I don't know, maybe one person or 2 or 10 or all of you, I don't know, will say, hey, that was a good idea. I'm gonna get to doing that, because it takes up so much less space when you've just kind of compacted it all down and really see what you have and what you need. Well, you guys, I'm just gonna say goodbye right now because all we have to do is put them away. They're ready. And that's it, it's all done. So I will show you the end result, and I want to say thank you so much for coming by. And if this is your first time, welcome. I forgot to say that at the very beginning. Oops, I just wanted to dig right in. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. If you haven't already subscribed, you can consider subscribing. We would appreciate that. Hey, this is video 100. What? 100! Yeah, I just noticed that last weekend. So with that, I just want to say thank you guys for stopping by, and we shall see you in the next one, which would be 101. And there will be no Dalmatians. Bye. that fits well.
I could almost stand this upright.
Whatever you think will work. Yeah, it's so tall up there, isn't it?
Look at that.
Oh, that's great. That's even better.
Oh.
Satisfying, isn't it?
Amazing. I'm speeding up. So bottom, you said.
Yeah, they're all written on.
Nice.
Thank you. Oh my God. He's not. You're stuck at the top. Why did you have to take...
It's gonna happen.
Why did you have to take 3 of them?
It's gonna happen. I had to save time.
Oh my goodness.
Time's a wasting.
Oh no. Oh no. Wow, that is fantastic.
That's pretty good right there. I'm just gonna throw it right in here like this.
No, what if it comes undone? Wow, that's awesome. Thank you.
All your labels are clearly, oh, hang on. And so they're all facing the same way.
Thank you.
So all your labels are there. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Awesome. Thank you. Oh, pull it down. Oh my God, why did I start this? Oh, it's like a dust storm now.